What is going on, guys? Back, another fantabulous video here. So I just got a call that some wheels and tires that I ordered for my Ram 3500 are supposedly getting dropped off tomorrow, which I hope is true. So I had my buddy Nate's soft top for his Jeep in the back of my truck, so I just pulled that out, pulled out a couple other things, got most of the crap cleaned out besides a couple of Reese hitches and beer cans. So they called me and they pretty much said, hey, this is blah 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 with this company. I'm just not going to say who the company is, but they called and said that they have a shipment planning to be dropped off. They need someone there to sign for it, which is awesome. So I was like, cool, is it my wheels and tires? Because they've been on back order for a couple months now. And they're like, yeah, I think so. It's a 400-some pound pallet, so let's hope it's the wheels and tires. So I told the guy it's probably gonna be hard to get in my driveway. I'm sure they could do it, but just to make it easier, what I'm probably gonna do is just have him, when the guy calls me a half hour beforehand, I'll give him my address at work. He can roll up there, and then hopefully I'll be able to just put them on at work tomorrow. If not, what I'll do is I'll just drop the tailgate down. They got like a lifted gate, and we'll just slide it off in the back of my truck. But we should be good to go there. I can't wait. I'm stoked. I'll probably flip the camera back on tomorrow when the dude rolls up or whatever. Should be lit. All right, so it is the next day. You probably just seen that last clip, but the wheels and tires just showed up, just pulled the truck in, and got one of our techs gonna be able to throw them on for me real quick. So once I'm done, I pull it back outside, I'll flip the camera back on. All right, so I am back home now. Just unloaded with stock wheels and tires. So I guess these aren't stocks. I had 315s on there previously, but on the stock wheels. So this is a 2010. From what I've heard, the 2010 through 12 sit a little bit lower factory than the 13 and up trucks. I do rub a little bit on the pinch weld down here in the corner. I noticed on my way home, this does have a 3-inch coil, rough country 3-inch lift in the front, and then 1-inch block in the rear. So these wheels and tires, these are 35s by 12.5, and then the wheels are 20 by 12 -44 offset. Kind of a little bit story about these wheels and tires. So these are the wheels that I wanted for a while, had them all picked out and whatnot. And the reason I wanted them is because they kind of checked off a few boxes that I was looking for in wheels. I wanted something around the outside, which these are machined around the outside. It says Hardrock on the outside. I thought that was sweet. I didn't want, I wanted like the lip to just be seamless in there, kind of how these are, where some of them have like a lip, that like a ring that goes up and then around. I don't like that look. And then I wanted black, gloss black with some machining in it, which these have. And then another bonus is these wheels are pretty cheap. They're only like 900 some bucks for a set of 4 of them. The only downfall about that is these things were on back order for over a year. I was gonna order them last year. They're on back order. I waited. I was looking around. I was like, man, I still want these, but they're on back order. Ended up selling my Harley, and I was like, all right, I want some wheels and tires. So I was always looking at custom offsets, and I ended up switching. I ordered them from Rimz One. They said they're in stock on the website, ordered them. Order went through, they processed my card and everything, and then after a week or two, I got an email saying that they're on back order. So I was like, awesome, that's pretty lame. So then I was like, whatever, I'll wait. They said could be 30 days or more. That's all they told me. So then I kept checking, like a month goes by. I said, hey, any update? They're like, nope, still no update, could be another 30 days. So I'm at 2 months in after I ordered. I went on custom offsets just to see what kind of wheels and tires they had. They had these in stock on the website. They didn't say back order anymore. So I ended up ordering them, canceled my order through Rimz One. They want to charge me like 500 bucks or something to cancel my order. So I called them, got a manager on the phone, told them, hey, you never even let me know that these were on back order, and then you charged me before you guys even had the wheels in your storage. So they refunded me all my money. We're all cool there. Don't think I'd recommend working with them. So then I ordered these off Custom Offsets. I got an email saying that they're in shipment to their warehouse to get the tires mounted and balanced. I'm like, awesome, that's sweet. And then no update for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks or something like that. So I called them or texted them or emailed them. They said, oh, they're on back order. And then the email said, see, you have a couple questions about your wheels that are on back order. So I emailed back and I said, this is the first I'm hearing about these wheels being on back order, and I explained how I canceled another order, kind of filled them in on all of that. So then they knocked 100 bucks off, which is awesome. They threw in a free t-shirt, and then they kind of kept me updated. Didn't hear nothing for about a month. And then I reached out to them again, still nothing. So they said, we'll look into it. First set that we get in has your name on it. Didn't hear nothing. About 5 days from now, it'd be another month that I ordered through Custom Offset. So I'm waiting on my wheels and tires for about 4 months now. Didn't hear nothing. Get a call from the carrier, the shipment company, yesterday, which you've seen at the beginning of this video. Still no update, no tracking number, nothing from Custom Offsets. So I mean, it's hit or miss. I feel like both companies don't have the greatest customer support, I guess. They did knock the 100 bucks off, threw in a free shirt and stuff. I mean, the shirt is probably the ugliest one that's on their website, but they still kind of try to make good for it, where Rimz One didn't really do anything. So I mean, take it how you want. My wheels and tires are here. Waited 4 months after I ordered them. Yeah, I mean, these are the federal Couragia or whatever, however you pronounce them. I've heard everyone pronounce them differently. So we'll see how they hold up. I don't drive this truck much. I've owned the truck for about 4 years, and I think I've maybe put 20,000 miles on it since. It's literally just a truck I used to pull the Razor and the Jeep. That being said, we'll see how they hold up for being like kind of cheaper wheels. I feel like these aren't like complete budget, but they're definitely not top of the line. They're kind of a middle price point wheel or tire, I would say. Future plans for the truck, I plan on getting hopefully the Laramie style grille where it comes in on the sides and then says Ram across the front. I want to get that paint matched. I want to get the bumpers paint matched. I already have black badges for it. And then after that, I mean, should be good to go. If you're new to the channel and you're just finding this video here, the truck is deleted. I just got a H&S Mini Max box tuner on it. S&B cold air intake, 5-inch turbo back exhaust. Like I said, it's just a tow truck. It's not like a race truck. I don't need any crazy tune or anything on it. It gets the job done for me. I figured I'd give you guys an update, my whole process with the wheels and tires. But yeah, I waited 4 months for these. I'm glad they're here. I'm pretty stoked. I was kind of chill, forgot about them until yesterday when that carrier company called me and said that they'll be delivered tomorrow. So I was stoked all day waiting for that. That's pretty much all I thought about all day long, but I'm glad they're here. So yeah, if you guys like this video, feel free to drop a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe.